Listening to a robot talk to you in a voice that sounds like a flat tire is a quick way to kill your productivity. You want to use the Read Aloud voice in ChatGPT to get through your reading list, but if that default narrator sounds like it's bored out of its mind, you probably find yourself hitting the stop button within seconds. It's a common hurdle when you're trying to turn ChatGPT into a personal podcast or an efficient study buddy. The good news is that you don't have to settle for a voice that grates on your nerves. To fix this, you need to head straight to the source of the sound. Open up your ChatGPT interface and look for your profile name or icon sitting in the bottom left or top right corner of the screen. Give that a click to pull up your personal menu. You'll see a few options there, but the one you're looking for is Settings. Once that window pops up, inside the General menu, you'll see a section called Voice with a drop-down menu. This is where the variety lives. You can click through options like Arbor, Breeze, Cove, or Ember to hear a preview of how they sound. Do you want something deep and authoritative? Or maybe a voice that sounds a bit more energetic and bright? Take your time and play each preview by clicking the small play icon next to the names. When you find the one that doesn't make you want to mute your computer, simply select it. There's no big Save button you need to hunt for. The app registers your choice the moment you click the name. Now, go back to your main chat. Find a block of text you want to hear and look for that speaker icon. It usually sits right below the text. When you click it now, the AI will immediately start reading in that brand new voice you just picked.
Based on recent expert analyses and industry reports. Number 1. Artificial intelligence, AI, the core of tech progress.
This setting exists because OpenAI knows that one size fits all doesn't work for audio. Some frequencies are actually harder for the human ear to process over long periods, which is why a voice that sounds fine for a 10-second clip might become exhausting during a 10-minute article. By switching the voice, you're actually making the information easier for your brain to retain. You now have a ChatGPT that sounds exactly the way you want it to. You've moved past the default limitations and tailored the tool to fit your own ears.